What you eating there, bud?
Some banana pancakes.
What?
With dark chocolate.
Banana pancakes. Ah, yeah.
As long as you love me. As long as you love me. As long as you love me. We're under pressure. 7 billion people in the world.
Okay, buddy, where are you?
Well, we just found this staircase. We're gonna see where it takes us.
Wow, where? No, you gotta put it on your face. Still not on your face. It's a little bit on your face.
Let's go.
Wait, where are we?
Oh, we're at La Fortaleza.
La Fortaleza de San Carlo Cabaña.
There you go. So come with me on a journey through space and time.
Oh.
No, we do not know where this is going. It's one of the coolest forts I've ever been to, for that reason.
This is total scary movie like material. Oh no, does it go even further down? Turn on.
After exploring the fort in pitch darkness, we decided to have dinner at a nearby paladar, which in Cuba are privately owned restaurants often run out of the owner's own home, and are completely free of government oversight, a fact which often leads to better food, atmosphere, and service than is offered by government-run restaurants. These private businesses are one of only a few forms of capitalism in an otherwise entirely communist state.
So you like...
You know what they say?
What?
If you like it, then you better put a ring on it.
Here's the entrance. It's a real cool little spot. Bar. Yeah. After you make my table in the V-berth, what are you gonna make me?
One of these.
What is it?
It's a squeaky, rocking set of chairs.
Double rocking chair. Like a double rainbow.
Good morning, buddy.
Good morning.
Is there anything special about this morning?
Well, this the day of February the 3rd, 2017. I have become a fiancé.
What?
Yep.
We had read that in a small suburb of Jaimanitas, not far from Marina Hemingway, a local artist had transformed his neighborhood into an ever-expanding art project. So we set off to see a very different side of Havana.
Where are we, buddy?
We are in Fusterlandia.
You think we have to make some design changes on the boat?
Yeah, we need a lot more tile.
Yeah, I need to start breaking shit.
Kookie.
Yeah.
And then...
Oh, wow.
Newbie.
They are booby, yeah. Good call.
Yep.
Wow. You really have a fine eye for the arts, buddy. Okay, standing by.
And so early the next morning, we set sail for Bahia Honda, about 36 nautical miles to the west, and our first stop on our exploration of the northwest coast of Cuba.
Getting out of Dodge, bud.
Yep. Leaving the big city. So long, Havana. We are out of here.
Without my love for the ocean, I would be long gone by now. It's some kind of devotion.
All right, so we are underway. We just left Marina Hemingway. I'm hiding in the small amount of shade that we have. I'm hiding under our shade sill, and it's nice, you know, keeps sun out of the companionway, water out. But anyway, we are heading for Bahia Honda, which is about 35 miles to the west of Marina Hemingway, and we're gonna anchor there. We should get there like late in the day today, and then tomorrow we'll head to Cayo Levisa, which is a little island with like a beach resort on it. So we'll go there and see what that's all about. Probably won't spend much time there because it would cost money, but maybe we'll go buy a mojito. Hey bud, having fun?
Oh yeah. Guess where we're not?
Key West?
Yeah. Specifically.
In the boatyard?
Not in the boatyard. Never thought this day would come.
Just cruising the Cuban coastline.
Cruise along.
Brings me down. That without my love for the
Our first catch as cruisers. What does Jordan have?
A little bit of plastic.
A little bit of seaweed.
You're holding my mind in a tight.
All right, second Cuban port. How do you feel?
Feeling good. Feeling a little anxious to like figure out exactly where to anchor, talk to the Guardia Frontera people. I'm just curious if we're gonna anchor just out of the channel here, where it's kind of exposed and not all that nice, or if we're gonna go into a small secluded bay next to it. So we'll see.
Well, we just dropped the anchor and we're waiting for the Guardia Frontera maybe to board and kind of give us the lowdown. If not, I guess we'll just hang out here for the night leisurely and then take off in the morning.
So we're jumping off the boat in our very first anchor, international anchor.
When I walk all over you, and your blood is in the water.
I was saying that I can't believe that we made it.
It wasn't that bad, you know, not too much work. But yeah, it was like easy peasy, right?
No, it was really hard. A lot of work, a lot of fiberglass dust,
Yeah.
a lot of hot.
A lot of insecurity. Yeah, I feel like we crossed a threshold of saying we're going to be cruisers and then actually being cruisers. And just the fact that our boat looks so good and we have everything kind of figured out. It's been kind of crazy because people have come over to the dock and asked us questions about what we do for certain situations.
Yeah.
And we're like, well, this is our first time. We don't really know. All right, double chin. I got to make some food.
I will be long gone by now. I guess my love is.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you, cruiser.
No, not for you.
All right. Oh. Desiree, tell us just how you feel right now.